Maciira ma ngui cia kimucii na uhahami wa andu kimwiri makoretwo makiongerereka o muthenya na gukorwo na muthiathiiro munene wa maciira maya magoti-ini. Kuri aria maretha kihoto maciira-ini maya ukoretwo uri undu muritu, maciira mao magiikario, amwe ao magikua ngoro na kumatiganiria na ihoto ciao kwaga gukinyanirio. Na itanjira ya gutangikira maciira maya na gutigirira ni mathikiririo kwa ihinda inini, Ruhonge rwa igoti niruruguritie igoti ria mwanya ria gutangikira maciira ma uhahami kuri ciana, atumia o hamwe na airitu, na oho gutuithania maciira ma ngui cia kimucii igoti-ini ria Shanzu kaunti ya Mombatha, mihango iria itongoririo ni mucirithania munene Martha Koome.
We will not allow you to burn out. With Faisa here, I know we will get a counseling psychologist seconded to us here to give us that psychosocial support.
Koome augite namba ya airitu na atumia aria makoretwo makihahamwo kimwiri ni ongererekete na gikiro kinene, akiuga hari atumia atatu, umwe wao ni atunganite na unyamu uyu, na undu uyu ni wagirirwo ni kung'ethanirwo naguo ta ugwati wa bururi.
We have those who work with the victims. We have police officers who receive this report. There is so much and there is need for this office to be situated here in Shanzu.
Most victims are under the age of 17. They don't even recognize when something happens to them. You know, I myself am the first to admit that I am a victim of violence. But when I was 10 years old and living in a situation of domestic violence, I didn't know what that was.
Ni eranire unyitaniri wa Ruhonge rwa igoti na honge ingi cia thirikari hari kung'ethanira na ciiko ici cia unyamu, na oho gukinyaniria ihoto kuri magana ma andu aria mahahamitwo. Uhinguri wa igoti riri ni ugathiriirio ni andu makigia na mwihoko ciiko cia uhahami kimwiri ni ikuhukio na ihoto cia aria mahutitio gukinyanirio.
The church elder gave me a lift in his car and wanted to look under my dress. I did not know what that was. When my father's friend, and this is what I tell a lot of girls I talk to, the most dangerous people are the friends of your father. When they come and say, oh, you're now growing up, you're a big girl, and start touching your body. Many victims don't even know that they are victims.
Before the Judicial Service Commission, we have a huge task of ensuring that we have enough human resource capacity to render justice to our people.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma gicua-ini kaunti ya Mombatha, ritwa riakwa ni Ndegwa wa Gathungu.